the first thing we need to do is to go to OneDrive. So after that, we need to go to GitHub, just to open the document so that we can have access to a Copilot. So while we are waiting for the OneDrive to, okay, OneDrive is fully open. Now next is to wait for the GitHub Microsoft Learning AI to open. All right, so we have the document open now. We can now it's time to go through the Copilot, because the essence of this class is to use the Copilot. Okay, the first thing is we are trying to sign in to even save the document that we opened earlier. All right. All right, so after signing in that, we can now go to Copilot. All right, it opens Microsoft document for us. So this is like online SharePoint. Okay, so now back to Copilot. So from Copilot, we want to have access to that chat window where we can input all our natural language, because so I think all right, that is fine. Then the first query we want to run is to ask what this document is all about, the document that we opened earlier, which is what I'm about to type here. What is this document about? So I make sure that this thing is showing like a more balanced output. So what is this document all about? You will see the result up there. So if you need to use it, if you have anything to do, just check through. But this is even just to show us what the document is all about. But the essence of the training is to actually build a document, a business document, right? Like a business idea. So the next thing we want to do is now to let's say, how do I go about setting up a business in New York City? So I want to see the idea that the generative AI will give to me. That's the essence of me asking, how do I go about setting up a business in New York City? So I want to see what, okay, all right, all right, I see all these responses, okay, okay. So it's now left for me to choose whichever response that I want out of this. So after that, I can even use a Disco Pilot to create content for the business plan. So let me just ask him to suggest a name for my cleaning business. So what do I have? What is generative AI telling me? The Microsoft Copilot. All right. Do I have? Okay, it's telling me that I can use green sweep cleaners. I can use Eco Shine Service. I can use Nature Clean. So after that, just want to pick green sweep. So I'm asking him to write a I'm asking the Copilot to write the business plan for the green sweep based on the information in this document, and I want it to include executive summary, market review, and also financial projection. I believe this Copilot should be able to give me all the things that I asked for. So these are the results that I will use in the document that I'm trying to build, right? Let me see. Write a business plan for green sweep cleaners. That's part of the name that the Copilot suggested based on the information. So it's going to write executive summary, it's going to write market overview, and also financial projections. It's because I'm typing this. Had it been I just want to speak to the mic, it can also pick that. I think I've talked about speech to text earlier in the other AI classes that I've done. So this one I'm just typing in, I just wanted to pick it. So we can see we have executive summary, we have market overview based on what I asked, and we have financial projections for the business that I'm planning. Now I want to even have a logo. I want to have a logo for my business, and I am telling the AI that the logo should be round, and it should include an iconic New York City landmark. So what do I have? So all I just need to do is to review this, add it to the document, whichever document that I'm building. This is a beautiful thing about generative AI. So it's trying to create a logo for me, and you can see. So I just want to ask one more. Let's say I want this Copilot to create a photorealistic image of a clean office. So what do we have? I think that's part of what we can actually add to the document, that okay, if you engage us, this is how your office should look like. Photorealistic image of a clean office. And you can also, so once it generate that, we can add it to the document that we are trying to build. All right, so you can just pick any of this image that is generated by the AI and add it to your document. So I believe this helps someone in cloud computing. Thank you for watching.